Hi everyone, my name is Chris Morell, and I prepared a screencast here today about UDL, which stands for Universal Design for Learning. We'll discuss the guidelines for UDL along with incorporating EdTech into your everyday teaching. First off, what is Universal Design for Learning and Differentiated Instruction? UDL utilizes three types of strategies. Number one, to represent information in multiple formats and media. Number two, to provide pathways for students' action and expression. And number three, to provide multiple ways to engage students' interest and motivation. Differentiated instruction, on the other hand, offers strategies that aid in adapting the curriculum and classroom environment to provide our students with the most effective learning opportunities. The guidelines for UDL are sorted into three categories. They are engagement, representation, and action and expression. Under the guideline engagement, we want to make sure that we promote expectations and beliefs that optimize motivation. Representation offers alternatives for auditory and visual information, and action and expression optimize access to tool and assistive technologies. A few of the resources we will touch on today are Get Epic, Lexia, and Dreambox. Get Epic promotes reading, Lexia helps with language arts, and Dreambox focuses on math skills. Get Epic is an online reading library that gives your students access to all kinds of books. Here, teachers can give assignments and quizzes, and it keeps a daily reading log of the books your students read. Right along here is where students can choose how to read their books. They can click on the AR tab to find their reading level. Next to that, they can have a book read to them, watch a video, or select an audiobook. Below are selections that I've chosen for my students. Should be under recommended, and top picks students can go through when making their choice. So when dealing with Get Epic, students can pick from a variety of books based on their reading level. Students have access to self-read books, audiobooks, and videos. Get Epic allows students to read at their own pace, pausing or stopping when needed. Students can pick books to read based on their interests, and it provides motivation to students by completing weekly goals. Clever is a resource that allows me to house all the programs I use in class on a daily basis. Dreambox and Lexia hone in on the student's math and language arts skills. Each student is given an entry-level assessment and then placed at the proper starting point. Lexia provides an overview of how many minutes and units a student should have that week based on their skill level. The skill level progress shows you the number of students working in grade level material, and the usage box shows you what number of students are meeting their usage rate that week. Programs such as Lexia and Dreambox assign a specific number of assignments to complete during the week based on the student's skill level. The programs provide ongoing assessment and hold students accountable for their learning. Students gain certificates and tokens upon completion of units that can be used at the arcade once their goal is met. Supplemental materials are provided in areas where students may struggle. As a result of incorporating Dreambox, Lexia, and Get Epic into my everyday teaching, I feel students are offered content in numerous different ways. Students can find and choose what method works best for them learning the new information. Because UDL assumes each learner brings individual strengths, needs, interests, and limitations to the classroom, flexibility in curriculum and teaching methods increases access to learning. And here are a list of my resources. Thank you for listening.